Hello? Hello? Can we hear? Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Oh my god. The stream has started 25 minutes ago. Okay. Let's go back. I'm gonna do it quick now. Um Yeah, just chill good music. It's alright. I was gone. Why? I was at school. I had a class of 2 weeks, and then after I needed to do math class while working 40 hours a week. And also I was unsatisfied with the overlay. It was like ugly. Nothing was like had a general theme. and I was kind of sick of working on the overlay and making interactive stuff when no one was there. Part one was while I was gone. What? I played with SpaceTimeDB in my class, and I made a kind of wrapper in C sharp for Godot of this SpaceTimeDB SDK. And then I saw that someone made a Godot SDK before I did my thing. So it's kind of useless, and his thing is better. Um, I got drunk with my teachers. Next, the overlay. It really has taken 2 weeks because it's basically a reskin of the old one. I removed some stuff, but nothing important. And I showed you the panels moving. It's a modular overlay, so I can like move the panels around and create new panels that could like slide in and take the place, kind of thing. And it's getting laggy. Like it's lagging real hard, and I don't know why. I said many times, but you didn't hear it. I'm testing in production right now. This is what this is what's happening. Yeah, it's 5 FPS. Yeah. Yeah, so something's not right. Like, but I don't know why. I have my suspicions. We will check that later. I was gonna do something else, but now we're gonna work on the overlay. But yeah. No, 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 no. This is not normal, like at all. Um okay. So yeah, we can move panels around. We have orthogonal view for like 2D and switch for 3D. I like the chat has a maximum number of children. Like what I'm suspicious of right now is my face. This is the laggiest part. No, actually there's two laggy thing in my stream. It's my face and then the chat, because the chat has like animated rich BB code thing, and it's taking a lot of resources. So it's one of those two things. Yeah, my face, it's actually like bad. It's cool, but it's bad. Um, Let me like go over this. I'm gonna try to like forward a bit. The face, I agree. Yeah. Um. So while I was gone, part three, but the chat being expensive is surprise. Hey, it's okay. So we're gonna skip this and come back to it. Or not. Where did I put it? Previous. Oh yeah, chat animation, right? So this is Godot rich text label. So it allows you to make like animations for text, and that's how I did the terminal feel on the chat. And it's laggy. Like each it's kind of an update each tick, but normally I modified the extension so that um like you see how the when a message appears in the chat box, it like has the terminal box like writing the actual message. So that's what I'm talking about. And also like um this like the text like highlighting, changing colors. That's also that. Um yeah. um Wait, hold on. Probably be a shader. You can you put shader on text? Like this is it's a control node. It's um Oh, well, this is not a shader. Maybe it could, but I don't know. Maybe it's using one, but I don't know. But it's probably not using one. Everything that's on the screen can be shaded. Yeah, yeah, I guess. Let's shout out Bad Cup. So Bad Cup is she's the one that made the um Godot extension to have a screen capture in Godot. So what you see in the content square is actually like a screen capture of my desktop in Godot. So that's cool because now in OBS I have the window capture and that's it with the sound. Like that's all. It's Godot OBS is streaming and that's all. It's only capturing window on the interface, right? So that's pretty cool. So yeah, shout out to Bad Cop for doing that. That's really cool. While I was gone part 3 for the kids, I participated in a Gamers Outreach SummerSlam event with on invitation of Jake Great Stuff. So this is an event for Gamers Outreach, and it's to raise money, right? It's a charity. And we made an event in Minecraft where if you donated, there was like rewards and stuff that happened in the game, and it was like team based, and you had to accomplish goals to gain points, and at the end you won a reward. I don't like React, right? The front end and framework. I really don't like it. So originally for the goals, right, it was one list for one team and one list for the other one, and so it looked like that. Do you like Vue? I never tried Vue. Everyone like doesn't understand why, but I like Angular. I like Angular. Like that's the second front end framework I was shown. And I actually like it. I don't know if I would like Vue more. Yeah, I learned React Native at first, and then we learned Angular. And so yeah, people don't like Angular, and I don't know why. But yeah, anyway, it's simple. Like it's anyway. So this looked like this. It's kind of shitty. And then we showed the idea to a like an actual like designer, web designer. And he made us like a preview what it could look like. And so Bad Cop said, watching designers work makes me want to get into drugs. This is the perfect quote. Like, like the difference is like huge. In my opinion, Vue is a combination of the good things of React, Angular, and Svelte in one tight NPM package. Vue. Yeah, I could try Vue. I just don't want to learn a new thing. I feel like it's moving too fast, like a Svelte. Anyway, it's moving fast, too fast. I would like to go back in the backend, please. But yeah, so it looked like this at the end. So this is cool, right? I mean, love designers working. Sometimes it's I can design your yeah, yeah, exactly. Like look at the difference. This is crazy difference. It looks so much better here. Um, so yeah, I worked on the website mini, and Badcop and Colin Escopy worked on on the mods because we needed a mod. I mean, it's a server plugin, but kind of a mod. So this is a picture of all the people. And next. While I was gone, part other things. I'm now using Arch, by the way. No way. On my laptop and desktop for working, and it's dual boot. I'm not crazy. I have Windows still. I love Hyperlink. I do not use Vim, by the way. I should use Vim, by the way. Actually, no. I should use Vim bindings. Vim motions, by the way. Delete window. No, stay here, please. No. Dude, I'm in VS Code. Why would I be in VS Code if I had Vim? Torrent and Vim or die. Yeah, I should. It's installed. Like it's on here, but yeah. I also use WSL. Like it's here. It's there. But and I have NVim. Like if I do NVim, it's there. But I don't. Not yet. I should first. Okay. I shouldn't learn NVim and Vim motions at the same time. It's gonna kill me. Can you really call yourself a large user if you don't use NVim? Yes. Yes. Because you don't need Neovium to use Arch. mainly because of that. Um, Respectful disagree. Okay, I disagree with myself too, but okay. I also made emotes natural reciprocation. Look, like you don't need to bully me, okay? I'm gonna do what I want, okay? You're not gonna be able to force me. So yeah, I made emotes for Prod 2 for fun, right? I helped Jake make his overlay, and yeah, I also worked on my math and work. Now, what do I want to do in the future? What's next for streaming? No, actually, what's future in general? I forgot what I put on there. Next week I'm moving in my first apartment for university. I have a second math class to do before university. I'm gonna start university. When I went, I'm gonna work on some projects, right? I wanna remake my website in with Rails and Angular instead of like plain Ruby and HTML. I want to finish the Joel Twitch extension. I want to play more with Spacetime DB. I want to participate in the GMTK Game Jam. I'm gonna do Godot. Um, I want to make more games in general with Godot. Um, I want to try to use Bevy and even make my own engine, but that's just plain crazy. Hello, Crazy Kitty. Welcome to the slideshow of a slideshow. We are currently on what, four FPS? As a warrior, you want to compete in what, the GMTK? You don't want to work together as a team? That's damn. Well, yeah. Um, you want to just beat me to death? Like you're gonna dislike my game in the ratings? That what? Oh, you're faking. You're fur game. You're probably gonna win. You're actually making games in Godot, like actual complete games. Um, I also maybe want to work on robots if I have the money, And since university is a big thing, I'm probably gonna do homework too on here. Your overlay, my overlay is better. It's I need to signal you that it's running at 4 FPS. Like this is the thing you should consider when saying that. Yeah, once it's not running at 4 FPS, it will probably be better than yours. But it's it's not what's important. What's important is the content, and I love your content, and you don't need a crazy overlay for that. But yeah, I need to get out of the groove basically for the future project. What is the groove? I made a picture for that. Um, this is this is the groove. I don't know if it's the groove is the perfect word for that, but this is a groove, and I need to get out of it. Right? I on in the bottom of the groove there's Godot and Twitch and stuff I already learned, and the more you climb the out of the groove, the more it gets harder and cooler too. So I want to work on GD extensions, Space DB, Bevy, maybe a new engine. I don't, I'm gonna try it. I want to learn. That's a cool thing. I love to learn. Add Vim into the groove. No, Vim is probably like here, like over at the top. Actually, here on the screen. Yeah, here. It's Vim. Vim is actually maybe at the level like between Bevy and making a new engine. Yeah. So this is the groove. And also I want to go to Offkai next year. I'm gonna try to do a little project for it. And maybe I'm not gonna be able to go to it because it's gonna happen while I'm in school. So Vim is just above the groove. Yeah, it's flying over it. it's, it's looking at us from the top. It has the high ground. Vim has the high ground, and it's looking down at us. Probably should make the new engine in Vim too. Um, yeah, we're gonna. The future will tell us, huh? Well, let's say that. Um, but yeah, this was the docket. Crazy Kitty, I want to show you like. Oh no, actually, it's gonna be so laggy. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna restart it. Okay, so now we see the fluid version. we see the fluid version of what it would look like. For now, yeah, exactly. So what I have is panels. Crazy. This is cool. This means my more friends. Yeah, for a time. We don't know how long. But these are tiles, so I can move them. Look at this. And then I can take my face, move it up. And then I can take the chat and move it down. By the way, the instantiated had a cut of 4,000 to on 2,000. Yeah. So maybe it's the chat. I mean, what do you mean by killing the removed nodes? Are you saying running print R from nodes? No, but I never like when you queue free, it doesn't queue free. Nodes are not freed from memory automatically. Yeah, that's what I do. Queue free. That's what I do. Okay, let's yeah, parent remove child. No, but if you queue free, it removes the child by itself, right? I'll show you like remote. Okay, main panels. If you queue free, it's fine. Normally it's fine. Okay, look chat. Sub viewport terminal list. So look, these are the messages. So if we do this, look, it's limiting the number of chat, right? Yeah, it's limiting the number of them, right? So it should be good. And also I'm stopping the animation after some time, so it should remove some of the bloat. But you're saying like right now, what's the instance count at? It's still at 2,100. Okay. What could it be then? We are in test and prod. That's what we do here. Okay. What could be doing this? So it's not the chat. At least I don't think so. Because why is it yellow? Hold on. What is the orange cube? And what's happening? Okay. Yeah. Okay, debugger. It's in the profiler, I guess. No, that's not folder errors. That's warnings. Delta not used, delta not used. There's only two oh yeah. Yeah, I know this one. This is my face. But oh yeah, it keeps doing it. This is my face. So if I close my eyes, yeah. So if I close my eyes, you can see errors. That's because I'm gonna show it. It's pretty cool actually, but it's ass. Okay. Um yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna close it on. Tell me if it like it shouldn't increase the number of instances or like decrease the FPS. It shouldn't. Like the number of instances didn't change. It shouldn't be that. Because okay. Can we go to this? Okay. The, oh god, I forgot to optimize it. Fuck, I had an idea and I didn't do it. Okay. This is okay. So what happened with the face is I have shapes, right? Is a packed vector 2 array. But yeah, profiler, I looked at it and ooh, okay. It's the process time that's taking really long. Can we see like which function, like you talked about the function, we can, right? Yeah. Script functions. God, it's moving. Okay, stop. Okay, script functions. Pause the profile. Yeah, okay. I just need process. Yeah. Okay. This is custom effects is is the it's the chat. Rich effect, rich effect. Focus change, yeah. But can we? Okay, yeah. Okay, we see the length like in time. Focus change is normal. Get window exe name, yeah, it's normal. Get character random. What? Get character random. Which one is that? Can you like disable the chat? Uh, yeah. I'm gonna change the measure there. Yeah, measure. You mean frame? I guess. Frame time to the option of that I forgot. I got average time, frame time. It's frame time, yeah. It should be frame time. No, it's okay. So maybe it's frame percent. Yeah, okay, so it shows you then. Oh, okay, I understand. Okay, we're gonna first replay it. Sorry, I closed it. Okay, we see debugger, profiler, start. Okay. Inclusive time? Yeah, it's already in on that. Okay. So it's the process custom effects. Wait, you can't see? Hold on. Let me. This should fix it. Okay. We got the thing. Okay. Um. So it's really that it's eating all the process. That's okay. Yeah. The chat is eating. Oh wait. No. Wait. Maybe. Yeah. It's the physics frame time. Yeah, but hold on. Okay. So it's I have those animated thing basically everywhere, I think. Like the sound, the do not do the frame and turn off inclusive. So it's frame. I know if yeah, I said it wrong the first time. Do not do the frame percent and turn off. So it's frame time. Yeah, frame time. Okay. Oh god. God, it doesn't stop moving. Okay. So the yeah, send back transform. Okay, so it's the rich it's my fancy shit again. I tried to make it look good and now it's laggy. Okay. Let's okay. Let's may remove the chat, please. Okay, let's remove the chat. Okay, I removed the chat. I removed the chat. Chat doesn't exist anymore. You are dead. Really, for real. Okay, let's start profiler. And it's still the process custom effects. It's still this process. Okay. This is shitty. This is killing me. Hold on, I keep like closing it, but you don't see anything when I do that. I need to keep it alive. Okay. Um, it's not? It is running at 60. 58? Okay. Um, fuck, I keep closing it. Okay. It's supposed to run at 60. At least. Okay. Okay. It should be at 60 all the time. Yeah. Normally, like, it should. I have a good PC and it should be at 60. Okay. Let's do local. Okay. So main. I have. So if we go here, the music thing has one of those animated. This section has one. This is not one, and that's it. Oh no, there's. Oh, actually, there's the starting console thing doing it too. Okay, let's go in content. Okay, so capture good. Raid. Be right back. Start of the console. This is also one that. What? Wait, that's not it. Shader VBox. Okay, yeah, this is the one. Okay. So on ready, process timer, timeout, file access JSON, But I mean, hold on. Fuck, I can't hear when you send a message now. Uh, uh, the be right back to. Oh yeah, the be right back. Oh my god, you're right. It must be eating all of it because I never remove it. I just hide it like a dumb person. I mean, it's just easier. Um, it is loaded. Um, okay, so this is not. It's yeah. Okay. Create console, new entry, stop, continuous. Just lazy. Hey, okay. Okay, finish. Clear entries. So it is clearing all the stuff at the end normally. And clear entries, queue free every label. So this should be good. This part of it should be good. Equalizer should be good. Oh, we'll come back to this. Raid. Raid is another one that look, okay. Let's test it. Fucking exec test bash stream tools utils no other Ruby event muck. Look, this thing. Oh god, that's loud. This is another one. Okay. Okay. We're gonna remove all of those then. It's not loud? Okay, that's good. It's loud on mine. Okay. We're gonna remove animated stuff real quick. We're gonna still keep those like always loaded. I don't care because it's really nothing. Okay. Um, title progress, so we don't need that. This is rich text table. No, just rich text table. Stream good mixing, me bad fake mixing. Yeah, it's look, it's like that. Oh, sorry. Okay. Message BP code. Yeah, okay. So let's go here. And can I just okay, I'm gonna take this and then can I change type with text label? Thank you. Okay. Like this. And it stopped. Why did it stop? Hello? Did I stop it? Did I did I stop it? I don't notice. I didn't notice. Maybe it's because I don't know. Okay. And this one too should be um change type rich text table and align center. Okay. It just closes. Okay. It just closes. Okay, so this should be good. And I'm just gonna do it. We'll try to do it quick. Or actually, we're gonna do hotfix. Um, window capture and Godot. No, it's not showing. Why is it gray? Properties. There we go. Okay. Wait, you see only the thing. Okay. So raid has been fixed. Normally should be good. Let's just test it quick while we have that up there. Okay, we didn't get okay, it crashed. BB code, yeah, yeah. Okay. It's text, and now we should be good. No, 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 no. We should be good. Cheap viewers? No freaking way. Can I get those? Okay. This should work. No, it crashed. Oh, what? Oh, it unassigned them. I need to remember that. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Okay. I think it worked. Okay. Next one. Raid has been done. Content panel. We need to do be right back now. Be right back. Um, display your overlay on top of the screen because now we can't see it. Oh, it's because I'm in studio mode. Okay, let's me stop studio mode. So now, yeah, it should be good. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience, but now it is working. Uh, I'm not talking about the overlay, of course. Okay. Which text label, change type, which text label, up, move sparkle. Okay, 2D, be right back. Okay. Horizontal center. And that's it. Okay, this one is removed. Uh, okay. Raid has none anymore. Jello shower, none. Capture startup console has one, but we're gonna keep them because I delete them at the end, so it should be good. Okay, content panel done. Chat panel, uh, uh I want to keep them. I want to try. It shouldn't like key. Oh, maybe I'm gonna remove it. I don't know. We're gonna test with those removed. Other panel? No. It's Gizmo panel. Gizmo panel. Gizmo screen. Okay. Alert feed. Are those okay? They're just rich text label, so we're good with that. Only in music player. Okay. Let's just change them. Change type. Rich text table. Change type. Rich text table. Test just to see. Okay, they're still at a good place. Gonna change the reference. Ah, great. Okay. Uh, rich text label. Okay, so this should work. Okay, that's working. Why are we at 30 FPS though? 60. Okay, we're good. Okay, sometimes we're dropping for some reason. We gotta still look at into that. I don't know why. Okay. Music player is done. Gizmo panel. Okay. Local. Okay. Gizmo. Okay. Chat. Yeah, I guess we're gonna remove them. Fucking hell. I I I spent a lot of time on this. I'm not happy to remove it. Okay. Yeah, I remember. I removed it. Okay. Chat terminal. Just put it back here. Or you're dead stone. I'm dead. Yeah. Okay. So message scene, and then I just said, okay, so I just need to change message. Okay. Let's look at the script. Do you mind it? Place sound, color, BB. Okay, so this is gonna be text. Timer start, place. Okay, we're gonna remove the timer. Remove the timer. Rich text table. Um, change the type here. Remove this guy. And it should be good like this. Okay, let's restart. It crashed. Yeah. Okay. Label color. It the hell? Wait, can't we change label color on here? Where's the color in those? Is it in team override? Yeah, it is. Okay. Then let's just remove this line, I guess. Okay. Um, so Joel, indeed. Joel indeed. Joel always Joel. Um, so now we're gonna stay like this, I guess. 61 FPS somehow. That's crazy. This is awesome. Okay, let's work, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what the like how I'm doing my face thing. Like what is it? Okay. So the reflection was behind like the whole visual of it, right? So I was a big TV before, right? But with this kind of modular overlay thing, I couldn't be a TV anymore. I'm now a part of the modular. I need to be a screen, right? Um, so I need to be a 2D instance. So before I was a 3D box with a 3D sprite that displayed um basically just eyes that went left and right and a fucking what's the name of it again? Ah, I forgot. An equalizer, right, for the mouth. But I could have just put that back in like the display you're seeing. But the thing is, you wouldn't have the sense of me looking at left or at right anymore because it would be like a 2D, just like the only if I kept the same code, right? You would only see my eyes going left and right. That's it. But now you can see actually me moving around. How? What is this magic? Anyway, so let's see this really bad code that I forgot to optimize before starting. So if we see the FPS going down, it's because of that. We're losing packets or something. Okay. So I have shapes, right? Over here, eye shape. So these are polygons, right? That's normal. And I've created. Are you analyzing your camera? Yeah. So this has been since before, like in the previous overlay. I have a Python script that is running. This one you can't see. Hold on. This one, right? This script, um, is basically using MediaPipe. Really simple. It's scanning my face. It's getting points, like a number of points. I'm selecting some of them and sending an array through a UDP port to Godot. And with those points, I calculate, oh, am I looking up, down, left, right? Are my eyes looking left, right, up, down, and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a little Python script that is taking care of that. And why is it not showing the thing? It's kind of annoying to refresh the thing. Okay. So yeah, it is scanning my camera, sending me packets. And so uh, how it works is, in the end, I'm using the draw functions, right? Over here to draw the polygons, right? At the end, that's what I'm doing. Um, so it is 2D in the end. There's no like 3D meshes or anything. Like I'm hacking this. So I have shapes that are polygons, right? And so what happens here is I have a script that is called what's it? It casts 3D to 2D, right? So I have a 2D polygon and I'm giving it to a cast 3D to 2D object, and I'm saying, oh, I want to this is an argument to say, oh, I want the movement to be smoothed. I want RTX and DLSS, right? I want frame generation. And yeah, so every time I get a UDP packet, I update movement, right? So this takes the landmarks, calculate face rotation, the direction, whatever. And then I have a strap. I give it, what is it again? I give it the position of the polygon in the face. I give it rotation of the face. I tell him where the center is and the scale, right? I want to stretch it maybe. And yeah, that's it. That's the face strap. So I scale it first if it's if I have to scale it. So when I use scale for my eyes when I close them, right? And the reason why it's like really weird, like, is because of the smoothing, right? So if I didn't have the smoothing, you would just see my eyes close like maybe instantly, right? But now the way I'm smoothing is like making my eyes smaller a bit. Like it's weird. It's weird. Then I offset to position, right? So hold on. Let me pull up a spray. But you won't be able to see it. Hold on. If I do, normally I'm able to hot load that thing. God, I'm a good programmer. Okay. Okay. So let's do something. So this is 0, 0 of the scene, right? This should be 0, 0. Um, so I'm first giving it an offset to the position the eye would be if that was the center of the face. So let's say the eye is over here. So I offset so if I didn't offset first, it would be like here. Now I offset it here. Then I rotate it based on the face rotation. So maybe I make it go that rotation. And then I tell him, oh, actually, this I translate it again, I offset it again, and I tell him, oh, the center is here. So the eye will be like this in the end. And so this is 0, 0, and like the Godot scene, and this is the center of the face. And I offset, I rotate, and then I offset again. Yeah, that's the drawing. And so why is it like bad, right? Why is the code bad? Well, it's what is offsetting, like the code for offset, rotate, and smooth movement. Those are drum rolls. For loops, yes. For loops everywhere. So each for loop goes through each point in the face. For yeah. So go to each, go to each, go through each, go through each, go through each. Whew. So the more I add polygons to my face, the more it's laggy as fuck. And like by itself, my equalizer mount is like 128 points. I'm gonna do it 5 times. Each frame. Basically. Maybe more. Probably more. So, and since I ended up just making this, what I wanted to do is just make one big for loop, which in each for, I do the ifs here. And I should actually make it now. Because I'm always using face trap anyway. And yeah. Okay. Let's actually do this right now. But yeah, there's code. Yeah, this is ugly. Okay. So, for index in shape 3D dot size. Okay. So we scale. Okay. So, but then there's gonna be a bunch of ifs everywhere. Ah, don't care. It's better than having a bunch of fors. Okay. So in this, I'm gonna put the scale code. No, actually, this. And then I do this code. Okay, no. So this should be a rotate point. It shouldn't go to, it should be this. Um, point 3D should be a vector tree. And then I should return point 3D. Oh, right. I return a vector tree. Okay, so here I do rotate point, rotation. Wait, I'm doing the scale or the rotate? Oh, that was the rotate. Okay. Scale. Okay. Point 3D vector tree. Oh, I saved. Fuck, it crashed the thing. Okay. We're gonna be code only now. Okay. Scale. Point 3D. I give it point 3D. So this is doing return point 3D times this. Vector tree. Okay, scale point. I should just remove. Okay. Rotate and then offset. Um, okay. So this is going to be a vector tree offset, and then I give it point 3D vector tree. So this return point 3D. Wait, do I need to return? Actually, I don't need to return. I actually don't need to return. Should be like this. This is plus like this. Like this. Okay, and here. Okay, let's start with scale. Um, Scale factor and shape 3D at index. Wait, is it? No, I need to give it back. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go back. I don't follow my own ideas. Okay. Vector. No, wait. I I'm confused. I'm confusing myself. Okay. No, I should give point 3D here. Okay, we're good. Offset to position point 3D. Rotate. Uh, Hello, Taimichi. Welcome to the new overlay that is crashing all the time. I'm fixing it. I'm making it better actually. Or you're gonna see it in not too long, if you can wait a bit. But yeah, hello. Okay, rotate, offset again. To center, point 3D. Um, Shape 3D set a classic indeed. Index. Yeah. So this is gonna be point 3D. Okay. Offset and then just put the if smooth movement and okay. I remove all of this. Okay, I need to give it just the point treaty normally. So point treaty here, vector treaty. Okay. Point treaty. Okay. Is equal to point treaty. Wait, it's last shape treaty. Okay, I need to give it the index. It's an integer. Index. Lerp to point treaty at smooth speed. Okay, this should be good. And here I give it index. Okay, when I call reset, I should duplicate the thing. Okay, so this should be far more efficient. We hope. We hope this works the first time. It didn't work. Oh, wait. Is it working? We see something. Okay. Change of tactics. Return the actual thing. Vector tree. Return this. Return point tree. Oh yeah, vector tree. Okay, let's try this. Maybe. No, wait, actually, I need to point tree D is equal to. Something like this. Okay, try two. Second try. Yeah! We are now going through one for loop instead of 5 each draw sequence. That's crazy. Okay. Does everything work? Yes. Okay, we're back. Ah, 60 FPS? No way. Ah. Yeah, hello Taimichi. Well, this is the new overlay. This is 2 weeks of work at most. Um, we have features such as yes, no features actually. You got the chat. That's classic. Um, we've got a startup sequence. You had to be there. I won't. It's long. I have be right back that like does this. I have orthogonal view if I want 2D, 3D, 2D, 3D. I can the window you see here, Godot is the one capturing it, so I don't really have to use OBS. OBS only has a window capture and that's it. That's all. And the sound, obviously, but that's it. Um, and also, cool thing, this overlay is modular. What does this mean? This means I can do this. I can do this. That's cool. right? I unscrew all the things, and then I can take my face and like yeet it up, and then I can take the chat and move it down like this. And now the stuff is moved. This also means that I can add other modular components to the overlay, which can be swept out at will. Uh, yeah, that's something. That's something. Okay, we are still at 60 FPS. That may be because we deleted every animated um thing in the overlay, but it's working now at least. Um, okay. Test, yes. Welcome to the actually working overlay for you. That's that's it. Okay, now it's working. I optimized the face code, so it shouldn't be as bad now. Um, yeah. Sorry, I had a blank. Um, no chat typing animation. Yeah, I mean, I can't have everything in life, I guess. It's gone. It's just gone. I mean, look, even the be right back has no cool thing anymore. It's plain and old and boring. I mean, I guess I could just make a shader for it. I guess, yeah, I probably could. For the raid and be right back one, could be pretty easy to just like do a shader. But for the actual text, wait, actually, let's look. Um, Godot shader. Godot shader. Do you have anything about text? Particles. Text. Can we do text? Textured fireworks. Transition between two textures. That's not really it. Label. Godot colorblind shader. Focus blast. Flag wave text. What is that? That's sick. Oh, big six. Cool 3D text. No way. Okay, that's not really. The only shader you will be able to have is canvas item, right? Probably, yeah. I saw this one. This is cool. It has nothing to do with what we're talking about, but it's really cool. I saw it on Reddit. Yeah, all shaders, canvas item, but like most of them are canvas item. You can search like CRD though. Saw it too. Very good. Yeah, the chat already has a CRD effect, but there's no like terminal. Do you want the text to burn away? Like clouds with shadow. I don't know. Halftone. The fuck is Sharder? The fuck is that? Sharder? Sharder, apparently. That's cool. That's I don't know why you would do that with a shader, but okay. Um yeah, I don't think there's something that we want. Like in like look, CRD shader, that's good, but That's what I already have here. I don't know. Outline, radial fire. I put fire in on the chat. I put chat on fire. I could. Do you want to be on fire? Do you want to have dark noise vignette? Yeah, but I don't want to. So I have the veto. Ooh, this is cool. This is okay. Don't be don't be mad. Don't be sad. No, don't be sad. Okay, there's text animation shader. Good though. Font shaders. I don't know exactly what you want. Your flame. Okay, he wants. Wow. What is that? The fire. This isn't even in Godot. What's happening here? Font shaders. Godot text gradient shader. Yeah, that's not it. Although, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, that's not it. The appearance of text with animation. Godot forum. Yo, that's good. Animated text by. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I didn't check in. Oh god, that's like I should check in the Godot asset library. Text animation. Yeah, should you should be able to like search by keyword in those advanced text. Notable that has supports for Markdown. Yeah, I mean, I guess that if it's not a shader in any way, it's just gonna lag. Or maybe the code of the other guy was just bad. I don't know. Maybe. Godot Whisper? Text to speech? Okay. Let's leave this hell right now. But yeah, this guy. Cheerful. Cheerful. This chair is like it's cool and all. Like it's kind of cool. But I don't put too much of those in your game. You're gonna kill the FPS. There's a lot of features too. It's crazy, but it it ate all my FPSs. Okay. Now what do we do? I feel like nothing's going on here. I'm going crazy. Um okay. Should we? I should work on the website. Because right now website isn't even on. Web dash. It isn't on, I think. If we go here, yeah, it's not on. Hello? 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 We love crashing here. We love the scuff. We love the testing in prod. I don't know what happened. OBS crashed. No error codes. It just didn't want to anymore. Rails minus P80. Okay. Let's do history. Grep Rails. Oh, crazy. Okay. Rails. Okay. Help me. Help me, Rails command line. Rails server. Oh yeah, right. Okay, Rails. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Rails S help. Maybe it will help more. Okay, we're good. Okay, Rails S minus P80. Then we can do fuck. Minus B 0.0.0. Okay. Goodbye, Varg. Have a good night. Thank you for coming, Chu. Thank you very much. Okay. So now, boom. Okay. We got it working. Finally. Okay, now I'm kind of in a bad thing right now. Okay. Okay. This is server, new server. That's why we lost 4 months of why is it crash? Huh? Why is it everything not working? It's property of key 0 packet. Packet is null? Oh. Okay. If packet. If packet. You think you don't crash anymore. Please. Okay, okay. Okay, so what do we want in the... Oh, fuck. Okay, yeah, first thing first, we need to change, not this one. We need to go to umbrella. Home dev. Okay. Enter password. Okay. Now here this is the reason why we lost 4 months of Joelbot. Yay! The reason is I'm dumb and I didn't do any backups. And I like um re like rebooted no, I resetted my server basically. So now we're back to 4 months in the past. And now everything where it runs in Docker files. And yeah, Docker files. So now when I want to install, wait, actually, can I do, okay. If you go here, this is Rails. Can I do apt install tmux? Oh, I can. Okay, thank God. Okay, but for the next time, we're gonna do Docker file, and we're gonna add tmux. Okay. Okay. Tmux, Rails, whatever, minus B, 0 is 0. There we go. Okay. And then I can create a new panel and go to client. Okay, and now we go over here, ng build. Okay. Yeah. Configuration development. Okay. So I do ng build watch and configuration development. So now it should no. Would you know? So now it should build in less time? I don't know. It's not. There's a way to shorten the build time for when we're doing development work. But I don't remember which one it is. I maybe like this says it's a development configuration. So if I go back here, go client, Angular, so projects, client build, configuration, development. Okay. Can I learn what I can put in here in Angular.json? Angular.json. Uh, Deployment, glossary. That's really not helping. What is that search bar? Okay, workspace. Aha. Running project configuration option. Generation. Build. Build. Builder option. Okay, it has following top level properties. Not this one. Okay. Okay. Builder option. Wait, what? Oh yeah, right. Okay. Okay. Builder, builder, Angular, build application. For the builder used to create this target, the full builder for my build. Okay, option. This section contains default. Then configuration. Okay. To production development. By default, ng build, production configuration. Page archive. Okay, internal. Can also pass in more than one configuration. Okay, when I did this here, development. Okay, I should give the right thing. Okay, assets, styles, scripts, budget. Can I just, oh fuck. Can define, can alternate configuration command line. Why, like right now, does it say how much time? Yeah, 18 seconds. It should be down. I want it to be down like to 5 or 10 seconds. I know it can be for, and I don't know how. Okay, let's go look at the example project over here. Angular, angular.json. Okay. Production. Okay, it didn't change. No, 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 no. Okay. Over here, can I do ng build help? Aha. Okay, watch. I do that. This is okay. Output path poll. Output hashing name optimization. Maybe that. I remember something. The cross origin conditions, clean screen. Okay, we're gonna put optimization. Optimization. Hey baby, get away, let's get away. Juve, you're Juven, sunshine of the way. Juve, hey baby, get away, let's get away. Like it took more time. Took more time. This is dumb. Progress. Okay. Output mode. Optimization. Define cross origin condition clear. Okay. So I have to live with this. Is that what you're saying? Oh, that's better. Why? Why is it shorter somehow now? 11 seconds? Why? Is it consistent? We, baby, hey baby. Let's get away. Oh, 11 seconds. That's good. Okay, we're back. Um, now. Baby, let's get away. Let's get away. Now, what we want? First, a kind of home page would be good. Okay. Source. Main. Yeah. Okay. App. App. Okay. Actually, right now I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get some water and come back. Okay. Um. Okay, we're good with this. Okay, we're gonna start um on G. This. Okay, get started. npm install. Okay. Okay. So we start by doing this in here. And then add required in app config ts. Okay. Applicant fictitious providers. Um, Provide animation. You see. So this basically. Okay, here we go. This should be finished. Okay. Where do we? Okay, let's just restart it for now. Theming, CSS variable, CSS rules. Okay, can I just? Okay, here we go. Aura. Primary. This blue. Okay. How do I set up this thing? Configuration API, preset aura, options, prefix my, priming G, oh god, oh fuck. What's happening? What's wrong with it? Do you fear Angular? Do you, I don't know you were doing Angular. Yes, I am. I'm an Angular boy. They say I'm crazy. But yeah, I'm doing this. This yeah. I'm doing it. We're going from raw HTML and CSS to something actually working and like good looking. We've been using Prime more at work. Yeah, I used it for this project, like the our 6-week development like app. It's good but rigid. Yes. Yeah, I guess. But we ended up like with something good looking. I just don't want to spend like a lot of time on CSS. And for like it does the thing, and I don't know. It just worked when we tried it. I don't want to use the Angular material. Like this is what the rest like the class used. Like this is the basic Angular uh components, right? But it's like firstly there's not enough. Like there's not everything you need, and it's kind of not good looking. Like it looks too much in my opinion like the like Android like look. Bootstrap, I don't know. Okay, actually Bootstrap I we have it at work. It's actually the first time I used the Bootstrap was at work, right? For my actual job. And I don't know if it's just us or the person that set up the project was just not didn't know what they did, but like it's hellish to me, Bootstrap. Like I think it's the person that configured the project that was didn't know what they were doing, because I've heard good things about Bootstrap, but the only time I tried it, like at my job, it's been a nightmare, honestly. Like I would prefer doing like the whole UI myself instead of using Bootstrap in my job environment, let's say. But yeah, Prime G. Um, yeah, I know. Like, I don't know how to configure this. Accent, color. Okay, that's not. Okay, can I update primary palette? No. Okay, we're just gonna go with the fucking base theme for now, and I guess it's gonna be easy to change later. Um, okay, Prime G done. Should be working. Um, okay. Okay, component. Okay. Do we have? Okay, I don't remember how routing works. Actually, I think I saw it right here. Roots. Okay, so it works. Seems to be able to work like it used to. What's the like? It's in source app routes. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Path. Root is gonna be component. Okay. So I don't remember app having anything in it. App. Wait, did we have app? Yeah, app HTML. Oh God, what the fuck? What is that? YouTube. Okay, so that's this. But is that like? Yeah, that's just okay. We're just gonna remove all this. Okay. Yeah, we had a bunch of things. Oh God. Okay. Root router. This items. The fuck? Navigate to home. Switch language. View profile. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, what I have in component? Ah, they put. Oh, okay. I see. They put the header bar in here, I think, and so that's what their code here. Okay, so for now we don't need anything in here for now. Okay, routes component. Okay. New folder, components. And here we do, okay. Um, ngg component, let's help. Okay. ngg, component, component and then name. Okay, component, home. Okay, thank you. Where is it? It's here. Move it in component. And of course, we don't care about anything here, so it's gonna be this. Yes. Okay. So now, yes. Okay. What do you mean no permission? The hell? There we go. Okay. Now it works. Okay. Um. And now I should quick first add import home. Okay. There we go. So now if I go here. Ooh, that's not good. Oh yeah, then build. Build, please. Okay, it's not working. All imports are unused. Am I getting... This is 200, yeah, okay. So we're getting the thing. There's probably an error here. Okay, so it failed to load. So I probably have an error somewhere. Oh, yeah. Probably something like this. Actually, okay. Remove all this. Something like this should work. Maybe, probably. It's because I had nothing in the home, like, there we go. Home works. Okay. Home works. Home works. That's good. What do we want? Where are we? Okay. Um, like, okay. We're gonna look at this guy component. Data panel toolbar. No. Stepper splitter. Card overlay. No. Menu. Menu. Dock. No. Menu. No. Menu bar. Oh, that's what we want. Or mega menu. I think menu bar is what we want. Because if we resize, it's something like, yeah, that's what I want. Okay. It's neat. Okay. I want to import this. Okay. App. Import this. Okay. How does it work? Okay. App. P menu bar. Model items. Okay, items, show code for TypeScript. Thank you. Utopina. È un'obsession. Umana paura. Di comprar. Obsession. Man. Lucas. Dun, 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 dun. Yo non c'è paura. È un'obsession. E tu ma da da dura. Dun, 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 dun. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-ba-da-ba. E tu fai in accusor. Right on. Okay. Home. About. Should like give an error. Okay. Okay, so we get this. We got a head bar. That's cool. That's what I wanted. Icon isn't working for some reason. I don't. Maybe I need menu item, menu bar component. I don't know if I'm supposed to see an icon. Yeah, I'm supposed to see an icon here. Maybe it's black color. Red? No. Um, I don't know. Um, why? Okay, maybe I need to import icons. Sentirme bien. Sentirme bien. Sentirme bien. Sentirme bien. Okay, icon. I don't think it's an icon. Maybe it's just not getting the thing right. I don't think we're gonna end this here. I don't want to like keep poking at this while on stream. I should have like fully configured it before like actually starting, but yeah, we didn't do that, obviously. Okay, we're gonna find someone to raid, I guess. I guess. Um, Jake maybe. Yeah, we're gonna raid Jake because I'm pretty sure he's gonna let me raid. I don't know. uh, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna do the thing that I should do. Thank you everyone for coming through, for watching me do stupid shit and fixing my overlay last minute, right? Thank you for like entertaining. Like I don't know. Thank you for talking. Thank you for messaging. It's always funnier, more fun when we talk. We're gonna see each other. Like I forgot to say this, but I'm gonna stream what I want from now on. It's not gonna be each Friday kind of deal. It's gonna be whenever I have time and I want, basically. Um, so expect this. But yeah, we will see each other for sure. From now on, I will leave you to Jake create stuff, who's making content he already made, right? But we support him still. We don't. That's raid with Joel. If there's someone, raid with Joel again. Jake creates stuff. But yeah, thank you. And goodbye. Or not, because Jake doesn't want me to raid. Yes! Okay, suffering gifts, please. Sabaton, no, please. Python? Can we get like Godot? Can we get Godot content? Godot, but Godot Rust? We could go there. I actually follow this guy. Let's try this guy. I don't know. I'm actually not gonna raid actually. This is a no raid stream, I think. We're gonna do no raid stream because I don't sometimes I don't see the point in raiding when we're like 1 or 2. So I will tell you to go see this guy. This is interesting. This is Godot and in Rust. And he got a cool keyboard.